Hello, I'm Thomas Dudek. I'm from Bayville, New Jersey, and I'm a patient at Community Medical Center on a CyberKnife. I went to my primary doctor, and my PSA was a little high. Well, first I went to another hospital, and I met a surgeon, and he told me I wasn't a candidate. And I went to see my urologist in Ocean County, and that's when he explained everything to me. And the 40 treatments that I went to see somebody about, he says, well, it's radiation. But then I went on the internet and I looked and interviewed everything, and I was more happy with the CyberKnife. It was a lot quicker and a lot easier and no pain. So that's how I got started with the CyberKnife. So my wife was having a knee surgery done, and I made an appointment, and I met Dr. D'Ambrosio, and my wife was still in the operating room, but I had to go. And he put me at ease. And he says, yes, I'm a good candidate for it, and there's 5 treatments. So I says, let's set it up. He says, do you want to think about it? I says, I thought about it already. So I said, let's get it going. I went there and I met the group. They were very good, very understanding, very gentle. It's a good team. And they said, you'll probably be a little tired, relax for a while. And I was for about a week and a half. Then when I was all done, I felt better. I have a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. So I said, I got to give it a try. And I got back on it. And I'm back just about to normal life right now. I feel good. I would say go see Dr. D'Ambrosio and go to Community Medical Center. It's close to home. And they have it all over, but it's a lot easier going here. It's not out of your way. I was very thrilled with it. Very easy, very simple. It was only 5 treatments, and I'm back to my normal life.